Hello, welcome to your class today. We are going to spend 5 minutes together breaking up your day with some movement. We're going to spend a little bit of time on the core, the hips and inversion and some shoulders. Going to target everything basically. If you love this type of content, hit the subscribe button down below and the like button so you can get more videos like this. Let's get started. We got Albus joining us today for our little bit of movement. He might move in a second. We're going to start with our shoulders inside of the hammock. So come on down into a chair pose. So feet are about hip width distance apart. Take your hands behind your head and then press the elbows down towards the ground. Just a little bit of movement here. Maybe you take a little sway of the shoulders from side to side, lengthening through one side of your body and the other. Take a couple more like this. Start to sink into your breath as well. Really connecting to your body here. Start to extend through the legs, come through center, reach your arms overhead, and then again, swaying the body from side to side. If this doesn't feel okay on your neck, take your hands back underneath your head. Go, we're gonna come back through center, bending through your knees. Hands are gonna reach up, grab nice and high, then your head's gonna stack over your shoulders and hips. We're gonna lift up one knee into the armpit. This might be your stop one, bus stop one knee at a time, pulling up into the armpit. If you wanna get a little bit more core, both knees are going to lift up into the armpits. If you don't have a dog underneath you, Albus, you want to move, bud? We're going to take the knees underneath us, the knees up into the armpits. Knees underneath, knees up into the armpits. Our next little option here is to come all the way into an inversion. So you're going to reach up, maybe place the hammock down the back a little bit more. Bring your knees up into your armpits, push into the hammock with your hands, and then come all the way upside down. Your legs are going to widen as you get upside down. Albus does not care at all that he's in the way. Take a deep breath in and a big breath out. Good, bend your knees. Big toes are gonna touch, nice and wide through the knees. And then bringing the feet all the way back down onto the ground. Take an inhale, big good morning stretch. Hands go behind your head, sway the body from side to side. Good, coming back through center, bending through your knees. Increasing a little bit more here. We're gonna take the knees underneath us. Good, you're gonna push into the hammock, lift up through the knees, push until up and over. Maybe you extend through the legs. Good, bending through the knees. And then slowly bringing feet or knees back underneath you. Knees up into the armpits, push until up and over. Good, 2 more just like that. Nice and slow all the way back underneath. Up and over, inversion. Coming all the way back underneath. Good, last one. Nice. And coming back all the way onto the ground. Good, come up to standing. Reach up nice and high. Sliding hands down until you've got your back belt. Lift up your heels. Take your weight into your back belts. Knees are gonna go wide. Reach up nice and high. Froggy pose. Legs will widen. Come into your inversion, inverted goddess. Soles of the feet are coming together, all flexing toes onto the hammock. Good. Hug your dog, your pet. You might take a little rock here from side to side with your hips. And then the hands are going to reach behind you to the top of your mat. Let the head hang nice and heavy. Opening up through the shoulders. Take 3 big breaths here. Two more big breaths. And then gently coming back underneath your plumb line. Flex your right toes on the hammock, stretch the right leg up and internally rotate through your toes. Left leg's gonna go behind you, all the way behind you, and then bending through the knee. Left hand's gonna grab onto the left foot and kick your foot into your hand for 3, 2, 1. Coming back into your inverted goddess, soles of the feet coming back together. Flex your left toes onto the hammock, stretch the left leg up, internal rotation. Right leg goes wide and then travels all the way behind you. Bend your knee, reach back for your foot. Kicking foot into the hand. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Release and come all the way back into your inverted goddess. Look up, reach up and grab underneath your feet. Froggy pose halfway. And the feet are coming to the ground. And take the tops of the shoulders into the hammock. Little ragdoll moment here. Little sway from side to side. Take a deep breath in. Big breath out. Coming through center, weight into the heels. And coming all the way out. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me for your 5-minute break, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button so that you know when it's coming. Bye. If you're feeling a little tired today, you need a little bit more grounding energy, take a look at this restorative class. If you're needing something a little bit more heat building, a little bit more flowy, take a look at this flow class. And I'll see you in the next video.